Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Today we're going to make rainbow fish cookies. Take a paper template and trace outlines on your cookie with edible marker. Then we're going to make an eye. To make an eye, I'm using white and black royal icing. Both of these are about 25-second consistency. Pipe a large dot of white and then pipe black into the white. And lastly, we have to add reflection. Let the eye crust before you outline and flood the cookie with 15-second consistency royal icing. Now while the icing is still wet, we're going to do wet on wet technique and we're gonna make scales. So take white royal icing, 15-second consistency, and pipe large dots into the blue icing. Now take the same blue royal icing you used for the body and pipe it over the white so you have a small crescent of white left. Give it a little shake so the icing sinks into the base, and that's it. Now we're going to make a leaf tip. Cut a small V shape into your piping bag. Use medium stiff royal icing. If you haven't used leaf tip before, be sure to practice on a piece of wax paper just so you get a feel for it. You can see I'm going up and down with my piping bag, piping tail, and then we're going to use leaf tip also to make the fins. For all the recipes and tools, you can visit my blog. I am going to put a link down below in the description box under the video. Finish the design with piping consistency light blue royal icing, and here they are, beautiful rainbow fish cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what kind of tutorials would you like to see next here on Haniela's. Thanks so much for watching, and again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified about new uploads, and I will see you next time.